Welcome to Friday the 13th, your pandemic special. KFC pauses finger licking ads amid coronavirus panic and 150 complaints. Right, it's going to be one of those ones where I giggle again. I'm really sorry. I'm going to read the whole thing because this is astonishing. As public health organisations around the globe continue to stress the importance of hand washing to combat the rapid spread of the coronavirus, KFC pressed pause on a series of ads designed to spotlight the deeply satisfying post-KFC finger lick. The Drum has learned that 163 people have complained to the UK's Advertising Standards Authority, the ASA, about the fast food chain's unfortunately timed Finger Licking Good campaign, which launched 2 weeks ago. I can presume these are millennials who never heard of the original Finger Licking Good campaign, which went on for years. I mean, come on. Anyway, we continue. In a statement, KFC confirmed it has now halted the nationwide marketing drive. And I quote, "It doesn't feel like the right time to be airing this campaign, so we've decided to pause it for now, but we're really proud of it and look forward to bringing it back at a later date," a spokesman for the brand said. Oh dear. At the heart of the push was a TV spot set to Chopin's Nocturne Number 2. I mean, they're using some of the most beautiful pieces of music to promote absolute shite, which showed a montage of diners licking some variation of KFC's 11 herbs and spices off their digits. Oh my God, they're trying to sell you it at the same time. The classical, hang on, I'll repeat that. At the heart of the push was a TV spot set to Chopin's Nocturne Number 2, which showed a montage of diners licking some variation of KFC's 11 herbs and spices off their digits. The classical melody was punctuated by one final slurp on an index finger. Now, having heard me say that, are you hungry? Are you now thinking chicken? Oh, I haven't had a KFC for ages. Imagine one of them big buckets, yeah? Big bucket of chicken, crunchy. You know, this is what it's all about, because KFC are obviously teaming up with some kind of delivery service soon, aren't they? And you're going to get KFC delivered to your door. Oh, come on, make me a bet. Anyway, I'll continue. Oh, really? Ooh ads. It actually says ooh, double capital 00H ads, and a content series on finger licking etiquette were also set to run over the next few months as part of the campaign from Mother London. Mother London? Is that some new PR company I'm not aware of? Probably been out of PR a long time. However, hundreds of people have already contacted the advertising watchdog, complaining that the ad was irresponsible, saying it encouraged behaviour that could increase the chance of COVID-19. In brackets, which was this week declared a pandemic, in inverted commas, so we have brackets, in which was this week declared a pandemic, in inverted commas, by the World Health Organization. The Drum, obviously the people that made this article, understands that the ASA is currently assessing the complaints and no investigation has been launched at this stage. There's more, but you don't need it. It's just nonsense. It's just like wallpaper for bullshit for people that need to eat more chicken. I mean, I like KFC. We all like a bit of fried chicken. Make it at home, actually. It's much better. You need saltpeter and you need to leave it for 24 hours, actually. There's a recipe online. If anybody wants the recipe for homemade KFC chicken, tell me. I'll post it. It's exactly the same. Yeah, I mean, that's the Friday the 13th comedy special over. I'm just finding this astonishing, astonishing. Cheers.